Hi there, Emmanuel here, and today I want to talk to you about this copycat FX mirror trading. I'm going to do a copycat FX mirror trading review. So before I do that, if you're new to the channel, firstly I just want to say hi. I want to say welcome. If this is the first time here, or if you do get some value from this channel, then please just consider subscribing to the channel. All you need to do is just hit that subscribe button below, and also remember to just tick on the bell icon so that anytime I do put a video out there, you won't be missing out on it. And I'm regularly trying to put content out there if I think it's going to help you, especially if I think it's going to help you make some money, with trading or in other ways. So make sure you don't miss out on that stuff and hit that subscribe button below. All right, so let's get started. So this is called, Copycat FX Mirror Trading. And in essence, you're just going to be copying the trades of this trader. His name is Dr. Reginald Stinton. And here's the page. It's actually a Warrior Plus product. I found it on Warrior Plus. And here's the page. He talks to you about basically what he's going to do, how you can earn up to 30% per month. Based on the video, really, he doesn't really explain too much about any sort of system. Basically, you just plug into his account, you plug your MT4 into his account, and when he takes trades, you take the, he's taking trades for you as well. So basically, you're just giving him the whole full control and hoping that you get these returns. Now, he shows you results, and in this video here, it's a YouTube video, he goes through the results of some of the people that are in his system and some of the superstars that are doing really, really well. To his credit, he does tell you that this is trading and you can lose money as well as make money and all this sort of stuff. So he does give you the disclaimer that this doesn't necessarily mean you're going to make money overnight. And then he shows you some of his results that are off the chain. I mean, he's had a few losses, but generally it's just win, 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 win. So really then, all you really kind of have to rely on is the guy himself. You have to rely on him, on you trusting enough that he's good enough or he trades well enough for you to just give him the money and then just hook your account up to his. He does give you some more social proof here. He talks about his Facebook page, and I went over to Facebook to go and have a look, which is this page here. This is his main page, Dr. Reginald Stinton. That's him there. And basically it's all the trades that he wins, and then it gives you some of the sites here, the UOPFX, which I went to, and this is what we've got maintenance mode. So I'm not saying this is, if I have to rely fully and heavily on just one person, just seeing these results that's put up, I'm a bit skeptical, and I'm probably thinking, well, I could probably post this screenshot if I really wanted to. Do you know what I mean? I don't know this person, and I don't know really their results. You're showing me some results of some of the people on here, and you're kind of just wanting me to go on that and on your reputation, especially with things like this. If the site that you're actually promoting is down. Now, the cost of this is now, I mean, if you listen to this live here, this it's actually, I listened to it once already, so I just restarted. So this is him talking about some more of the people that got profits. When he talked about this, he was talking about it being $997 and you pay every month. As far as I'm concerned now, I think it's just a one-time payment of $1997. So it's entirely up to you. I mean, me personally, I don't like copy trading anyway. I think that trading is a thing that you have to learn for yourself if you ever want to be good at it. There's no real millionaires out there that actually just copied other people's trades. And probably if you knew his story, he doesn't really give his story much anywhere on this page. This is the whole of the page. So it's just the video telling about how well people are doing, the social proof from Facebook, some results here, and then a disclaimer, and then that's the end, and that's the price as well. So for me, there's not enough about him for me to go forward. I don't know enough about this person for me to just rely on some Facebook pages and some testimonials of people I don't know for me to give you almost $2,000 of my money. That's for me personally. But I mean, if you do believe that yes, he can get you these trades, he can get you these results, he's showing some other people's results, then why not go forward? But for me personally, I don't even like copy trading. Like I said, I think you should learn how to trade for yourself. Probably if you knew this person's story, the Dr. Reginald, he probably learned to trade by himself. And once he got good enough at trading, he then felt confident enough to let other people copy his trades. So, why not do what the actual mentor done rather than just copy it? I've never known anyone. There's no Forex trading millionaires out there that made their millions from just copying other people's trades. Do you know? Because loads of things could happen. What happens if Reginald himself gets ill? On the video here talking, when he was talking about the trades that some of the people on there were doing, he was always saying, well, I can't talk long because I've got to rush off and get my kid. So, what happens if he goes down? Then the whole copy trading goes down as well. That's one thing with copy trading. The other thing is you have to trade with a copy trading service. You've got to trade everything. You can't just select when you want to trade and when you don't. You have to trade the ups and you have to trade the downs. You might have 2 or 3 weeks of losing trades, this Reginald person, but you've got to just trade every single one of them. Because you'll have overall it should work out that you come out positive, but you'll have ups, you'll have downs, you'll have ups, you'll have downs, some break evens, and then eventually, hopefully over a month, you'll make some profits. There's not enough information out there for me to really give 100% say, yes, I've seen the guy, I've seen his trades, I've copied his trades, and he's making me tons and tons of money. And for this sort of money, I think it's a little bit high, me personally, So it's up to you. That's my kind of review on it. Why I'm actually doing stuff like this on trading is because me personally, like this person here, I trade the Forex. And another thing I've got to say, he doesn't trade crypto. It is only Forex, so because crypto is very is volatile if you don't know what you're doing, Me personally, I'm part of a group where we help people trade the Forex. Yeah. And here's the difference. Yeah. We show you patterns. There's only 2 patterns that we actually trade, and we show you where these patterns show up on charts and how you can trade them to make relatively big risk to reward. So risking a little bit to make a lot. And yes, there's losses, but yeah, you learn this skill. And once you have this skill, then really you can write your own ticket. You don't need to worry about anybody who's going to give you trades and you're going to copy trades, but you can learn that for yourself. And the best bit is, because they stand by the word, or we stand by our word, we'll allow you to come and train with us for a week for free. Come and have a look for yourself. There's no money to pay. Come and have a look. See if it's for you. If it's for you, you continue trading with us. If it's not, then everybody goes their separate ways. No hard feelings. But at least you can come in and see. Everything is disclosed. We're not hiding a little bit and saying, right, in this 3-week training, we're only going to show you this little bit and not going to show you the rest. Everything's shown. You can see the results. You can see what other people are doing. You can actually see trade ideas, not copy. They'll give you their trade ideas. And if you want to, you can then follow what they're doing. Copy if you want. But they're not going to regularly be giving you trades like this person is basically just trading for you. So if that's something that may be of interest to you, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link below this video. You can click on that. Once you've opted in, you'll get completely free access to this training. It's a Facebook private group. You get access to it and you can just come and watch. It's a live webinar every single day, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can ask questions and you can just see these 2 simple patterns, very easy to see on the charts, But either way, listen, I do hope you got some value from this. If you did, then please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. If you have any questions, any comments at all on any of this, then please don't hesitate. Just leave it in the comments box below. Well, once again, thanks for listening. Until next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.